That is how edition 2 came to picture. Now, again, I was lucky enough that this cover boy was my patient and he was in the perfect age group. He was 2 years. And we talked to the parents that we have this magazine going on and we want him to model down for us. Will he do that? And he readily agreed. Again, it was a great experience to work with them. We had such amazing pictures clicked of this boy. We had a baby also. The same baby whose mother was pregnant in edition 1 had delivered this cute little child, and we had a 6-month-old whom we shot. And this whole experience of clicking original pictures in the clinic, writing original articles, I was finally feeling the whole purpose that I wanted to live upon through this magazine. The second year, we thought of targeting diabetes because every other household has a diabetic person in their house. And that is how we came with the third edition, which was diabetes and oral health care. Because when we take history here, when every patient walks in, every patient has either borderline diabetes or is pre-diabetic or has been diabetic since a couple of months, years. Now, since we knew that this is an epidemic that India has and diabetes is something that every household has, every household should know that what are the effects of diabetes on oral health. And with every magazine, we also do something very different. Like the second edition had a lot of doodles made. So we had procreated them. We had done it here. We learned these skills. And then came the fourth one. Now the fourth topic was on oral health for everybody, like for all. So I thought that every time we are talking about a condition, why not talk about how to do things right? Like what is the right toothpaste, what is the right toothbrush, what is the right amount of toothpaste, when to discard a toothbrush, everything that has to be right in your oral health and hygiene routine. So this edition was on that. And while we did this edition, we had so much fun with the kind of toothbrushes we saw or introduced to the market, with the kind of faith we have in what products and how we want our patients or readers to have a good oral health and hygiene routine. With every year, we try to tweak a little with our logo color. So second year was pink and this year is going to be our surprise. So stay tuned for this year's toothpick. Coming to the third year. In third year, we knew that we had to target an audience, tobacco and its effects on oral health. Because Gujarat, the city that I practice is Rajkot, but Gujarat in all, highly addicted to smoking and smokeless tobacco. This was the time of the year where I was getting a lot of cancer patients, oral cancer going around, precancerous lesions coming. So then came this magazine which was on oral health and tobacco. We spoke about the kind of